So right now we are going to talk about the organic citrus farm. Actually, there are many people do not believe that we can do the organic citrus. What is meaning that if we are going to do organic citrus, that means we must be stopped to apply on agrochemicals. We must be stopped to apply chemical fertilizer. We must be stopped to apply chemical pesticide, including herbicide, insecticide, fungicide, and other synthetic agrochemical. So why we have to do organics? Everybody knows that in the present day, not only citrus but the others fruit crop also they are contaminated with toxic substance like toxic pesticide residue in fruits, nitrate, and also heavy metal. Those chemicals that I mentioned is called cancer or other human diseases, and this is the one of the reasons that we are going to do the organic, especially in citrus. So when we talk about how to produce the organic citrus that I said, I will recommend the farmer to stop application of on agrochemical immediately. But at the same time, if we suggest the farmer to stop the on chemical in agriculture, we must be share experiences or teach them how can they manage the nutritional management, disease management, insect pest management, and so on, to get a very good yield as compared to the chemical one. I have experiences about the citrus for at least almost 30 years until now. Even I used to have my own organic citrus farm in Thailand also. So this is all my experiences. Today I can group together my experiences to share all of you that you are willing to do organic citrus. And actually in citrus, even all kind of citrus, I mean tangerine, melon, pomelo, or other kind of citrus, mostly the citrus, mostly the farmer will cause the problem of the disease. This is the mainly they talk about many diseases like Helongbai disease, cleaning disease, canker disease, Phytophthora rot disease, anthracnose disease, and so on. So many diseases to infect in the citrus tree. So finally this is only disease. And also insect pests. A lot of insect pests also destroy the citrus all the time, start from young leaf until fruiting. How can we stop the chemicals? Listen me. Actually, I have been shown the problem of the citrus disease so many years in Thailand, in Vietnam, and others. So as far as I have experiences to solve the problem of the citrus. So about almost 30 years ago, I have to research, and then I discovered one microorganism that can give very good control of Phytophthora disease of citrus, and then after that, I have started from the people that's the farmer that come to meet me. All farmers come to meet me. They say that that citrus farm already root lot, and I've been there. I identify isolation and identify pathogens, and then we found the Phytophthora root lot. This is caused by Phytophthora parasitica, Phytophthora palmivera, and so on. And after that, I have been applied my research product we call Chitomium species to control. But all of the citrus grower talk with me that they could not control the Phytophthora disease in their farm anymore. The citrus die almost 20%, 50%, even 80% of the farm. And at that time, they said that they already apply the chemical fungicide like metallizin, and lidomin, foliar, and all chemical fungicide. Then those that they could not control. It means that those chemical fungicide are resistant to pathogen. So this is I can solve the problem really well. And at the same time, when we went to the field to see the problem, the citrus problem, we see that on one tree of citrus, they are not only caused one disease, not only Phytophthora, but also when we observe the leaf also showing something like nutrient deficiency, like zinc deficiency, manganese deficiency, magnesium deficiency, or so on. So then after that, I have tried to learn by myself. So what happened to the citrus? Someone also, this is cleaning caused by bacteria or Citira virus or Helongbai. And they said the Citira virus and Helongbai or cleaning cannot control anymore. We have to cut. We have to cut and to cut on the tree or remove the plant and replant again, something like that. Until presently, the citrus growers still believe that they could not control anymore. But what I have evidences, I have learned about what happened about the citrus, and how can we stop the chemical fungicide. And then after that, I have very successful to apply Chitomium to control those diseases. I will explain about the Chitomium is about spectrum biofungicide that I developed for many species of Chitomium, many strains of Chitomium. Then we combination together become a broad spectrum biofungicide. That's I will explain in this training program also. Please try to follow up. And what I consider both problem. They have two factors that associated with the citrus disease. I call the disease complex. This is complex. That means in one citrus tree, they cause a lot of the disease, both abiotic and biotic factors. A biotic factor that means we have to concerning about the surrounding element. We have to concern about soil pH, soil acidity, soil nutrient, and water and air drainage in the soil system, in lysosphere soil, and element, surrounding element allow the citrus or under canopy. This is a biotic factor that's get involved. The second is the biotic factor that I already said that that's means the citrus infected with different pathogens, like I mentioned already. That's why I consider this is complex. Citrus disease complex. How to solve the problem of citrus disease complex? That's I have tried to learn and have experiences, and today is very successful. I use the biotechniques. So the other days I also on we talk about the biotechnics, my biotechnics. That means the biotechnics that can solve the problem of the fruit tree production. So I just shortcut that the biotechnics that mean we concerning about abiotic and biotic factor and solve the problem together at the same time. You can see like in this picture, I check the pH of the soil, not only surface of soil surface, but also I dig the soil until 1 meters, even 2 meters, and measure the soil pH. Normally I found that the soil pH is very acid. Sometimes it's only up under the, how can I say, the soil surface pH maybe 5, and then when I deep the soil about maybe 1 meters, the soil become acid much more, pH 3, pH 4, because of the chemical fertilizer in available form there resident in the soil and go in deep, so that the rhizospore in deep become acid. And so also we looking at the soil is very hard soil. If we watering after we water, the water will run off horizontally, not go vertical into the rhizosphere soil. This is the problem. And also I also measure the soil nutrient. On soil nutrient, I have the equipment that something like quick test. I can know immediately about the nutrition in the soil, that available nutrition that the citrus ready to uptake, like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium. Is major element, and minor element is copper, boron, zinc, choline, iron, manganese. I measure on, and then after that we can evaluate it. Why we can evaluate it, and we can know that the soil have the problem very low nutrient, very low nutrient, and low organic matter also. So at the same time, I dig the soil, looking around the basal stem, and also far away under canopy. Also, we random check and we found that root rot. And the root rot, we brought the sample into laboratory and isolation. Actually, I'm basically for basically is the plant pathologist. So I isolation and identification that I found that causes by Phytophthora, sometimes Pythium species, but mostly Phytophthora, root rot. And if we look up the tree is look like leaf nutrient deficiency, look like zinc deficiency, little leaf and yellow. And sometimes there are other nutrient deficiency also will show in some twig or something like that. So, but I observed that it may not caused by nutrient deficiency, because sometimes I measure the soil, like for example that we see a lot of zinc in the soil, but pH 3, 2, but and the leaf it show zinc deficiency. So what we saw the problem that we must be adjust the soil first. So how to adjust the soil? We adjust the soil by physically. That means we must be let the soil become not compact or not hard soil, become easily talk, become soft soil. That means will be easy for air and water drainage. And the pH should be adjust until at least 6.0, or normally I adjust in between 6.5 to 7. And if the soil pH is about 6.5, 6.8, the plant will be uptake or absorb all nutrients that I mentioned to the plant, pass to xylem and to the plant will be grow very well. And after that, the new leaf come out. After the new leaf come out, the new leaf is bigger and not show any symptom, any nutrient deficiency symptom anymore I have done a lot of this. And actually, what we see is for the fruit tea that sometimes we have to in the border we can plant the tree, a bigger tree for windbreak, and also the big tree can help to not only windbreak but they also help to protect the soil erosion and others. So the problem is that I said after we check everything, then we can see that and we use our biotechnique. I continue. The biotechnique after we check the soil, what we should apply into the rhizosphere soil. That means I have been apply the very good organic fertilizer. That means organic fertilizer with high organic matter, at least 40-50%. I also recommend the farmer to composting by themselves to get the high organic matter and the high organic fertilizer, I mean. And after that we apply into the under canopy, and at the same time if we apply under surface of the soil, we can adjust the soil surface of the soil not too deep, maybe just only 10 or 15 centimeters, and soil so hard. So the quick the fast track or fast way to improve the soil, that mean I use the organic fertilizer, maybe I mean the good organic fertilizer that are completely fermented already. I put this organic fertilizer in with the water 1:1, and after that we extract, we filter, we use liquid organic biofertilizer, and I measure that the really high nutrient, rich of nutrient, and pH is also good, 6.5 or 7 or something like that. This we have good organic liquid organic fertilizer made by ourselves. And after that so we have to improve the soil, and that I said under rhizosphere soil. Under rhizosphere, that means wherever the roots grow in the soil, that means that is rhizosphere soil. So that means how can we improve rhizosphere soil to be rich of nutrient and the proper pH? That means we have to use the higher pressure sprayer, spray the organic fertilizer. And if root rot, I put chitomium biofungicide together. Chitomium biofungicide is for disease control. I put together with the liquid organic fertilizer and spray under canopy and spray deep into rhizosphere soil by using the high pressure ejector to under rhizosphere soil 1 meter, 2 meters, allow the under canopy maybe even 12 holes. Some farmers they don't have the high pressure the application or high pressure injection of the that I said they will make hole. They will make a hole. Easy. They will make a hole and use PVC, or someone can use the bamboo to put into the soil, and after that they put the water and make the hole like that. And then after we make the hole under canopy, after that we started to apply or spray liquid organic fertilizer together with the chitomium biofungicide. And if the seedless tree, like you can see, if twig die back over 50%, you must be apply every 7 to 10 days. After 3-4 times, you can observe that new leaves start to come out. And then after new leaves start to come out, you can see actually new leaf start to come out. That means new root flush is come out before. And after we check in the soil, that's it. new root first come out and new twig or new leaf come out, and they are growing well, never die back anymore. And this is what we solve the problem. And also by this time I have the nano resistor, like plant vaccine to treat into the citrus and let the citrus immunity to the disease. So this is this way that I have done, and very successful now. And in this is just how to improve the soil. We also concerning about the environment, or someone say the agroforestry. So we may plant the tree around the farm for windbreak and to protect the soil erosion, and also the lysosphere soil of the big tree will be rich of nutrient and can keep moisture in the soil very well also. And after that will be give very good result, good soil to your farm, like that. Sometimes we also if you stop to apply the chemical, so your organic farm maybe have the natural enemies, and especially bees, honeybees coming to help for pollination in your farm. That is a very friendly environment. And at the same time in your soil should be try to adjust the soil become organic soil by beneficent microorganisms. Like for example that in the soil I also have the microorganism that can improve the soil. This microorganism I call biodecomposer. That means I do research a lot of the microorganisms, including fungi, bacteria, Actinomyces and Streptomyces. In each microorganism they have each duty. They can produce enzymes, different kind of enzymes. They have been separately produced, like cellulase, ligninase, protease, lipase. Even some the microorganisms can degrade lock phosphate to release more available phosphorus, or degrade potassium, like potassium feldspar, or some ash or charcoal to release available K a lot in the soil. So this is we have to know. I have to learn how to make the soil become the organic soil, like in forestry soil. Actually, everybody learn that the soil composition is normally should be have the inorganic matter. Inorganic about 45%. The air must be 25%, and water holding 25%. And this is will be very good soil for drainage. But the farm that the plantation that they have been used a chemical for a long time, they will not. The soil is become a bad soil. Low fertility. They will not become like this. So how can we make the very good soil or organic soil? I also share experiences in other days also. And but this is everybody know. I think that you know already that the pH of the soil is very important. You can see if the pH is about 6.5 from 6.5, even 6 not really good. After 6.5 to 7, 6.5 to 7, you can see all necessary nutrient the plant can uptake very well. The plant can uptake very well. If soil very acid, you see pH full, they could not absorb, could not uptake nutrient. Or even alkaline soil, also they not proper to plant uptake. So that means that this is I think this is the most important for to adjust your soil, especially in citrus. You have to careful very well, and don't only adjust the soil only surface, but also in lysosphere soil also. Another thing is I have experiences how to improve, how to adjust the pH of the soil from acidity to be neutralized. Many citrus grower they learn they read in the textbook. If the soil acid just easy, just using lime or calcium carbonate or just dolomite, they have calcium and magnesium or the others soil conditioner. They just apply into the soil, and after they apply into the soil, into the soil and watering, they measure the pH. The pH from 3, pH 3, they are grow up, increasing until pH 6.8. So happy, and after that, about 3 weeks or 1 month, they measure soil again. The soil turn to be acid again. What happened about that? I have experiences a lot, and I know that the problem is just if we use this way to improve, to adjust the pH of the soil in nowadays, is wrong way. It's not really a good way. The best way, or the best way to adjust the pH of the soil, you have to concerning about your land, your soil is have been planted even citrus or before citrus, maybe plant other kind of plant before, and the soil is become low organic matter. You must be checked. If the soil low organic matter, that means low nutrient. After that, the soil will become compact or hard soil, and whenever you apply the soil conditioner to adjust the pH, the watering, first when you apply lime, the lime will be mixed with water, become calcium hydroxide, alkali, and they improve your soil immediately. Within 15 minutes, 20 minutes, your soil become 6 pH, 6.5, 6.8, you are happy and go home. And after that, 1 month, you come back again to check, why the soil become acid again. You know, the exactly thing is after you water, the calcium hydroxide, calcium with water will be leached out. The soil particle cannot holding available calcium. The remaining calcium is become not available. That means the calcium cannot dissolve in water, except we must have the microorganism that can degrade and release calcium to be like that. So that means I recommend to every time that you are going to apply the soil pH, you must be apply together with organic fertilizer. They either powder formulation of organic fertilizer or liquid organic fertilizer. You must be applied together with the soil conditioner. For example, if you use the organic fertilizer and the organic fertilizer and together with lime, so you in the rhizosphere soil, after you apply and you watering, and after you watering, you know, the things happen in the soil. That means the calcium will be released to be solvent form together with the liquid organic fertilizer. The liquid organic fertilizer, that means they have the nutrient. Now they have the organic nutrient. You can see, if you try, you can see something. If you see water, the water is look like after this zone with the organic fertilizer, you can see maybe you can see a light brown or yellow, and together with calcium. That means the calcium will be hold together with the liquid organic substance, and this liquid organic substance with calcium will be holding by soil particle. So after holding by soil particle, that means your pH level will be more stable, not change. Remember that this is, I have done this one by my personal experiences in the field. I used to adjust the soil in on together very big farm. Even you have in Thailand, you have 500 lai or 250 acres. Other you adjust this one and you will save money for soil condition also. This is the way how to improve the soil. So the important thing that I said for the cheetah, this is please be careful to take care of your soil very well. Do not let the root rot. If the root rot, as you see, you have at the same time you have to check the nutrient of the soil also to manage your citrus go very well. That is my technique. Somebody says, "Oh, it's just easy," but you try it. The easy you try it, and in terms of the root rot control by biological control. For me, because I'm listed on the Chaetomium biofungicide, maybe in your country you don't have Chaetomium biofungicide. That means you can use any biological product. Like you make maybe your country have the Trichoderma, Cleocadium, Bacillus subtilis, and other biocontrol. But I like to remind you that those bioproducts must be registered by Department of Agriculture, Ministry of Agriculture in your country to make sure that the bioproduct is true, is not fake bioproduct, and the microorganism is really active. I will talk about the microorganism that if someone they have the microorganism, even fungi, bacteria, and the subculture. The subculture that means continue growing on artificial media. Those potent microorganisms will be weak. This is iPhone. So we have. That's why please be careful also about if you find the biological fungicide to be used together in your farm. But for me, I use the Chaetomium, and the Chaetomium now is registered in China, in Myanmar, in Laos, in Cambodia, in Vietnam. So those countries can be used to apply my bioproducts like that. Some countries are also going to help to collaboration to help the scientists to find the Chaetomium species in each country and develop in each country to be used like local strain. With that gave very good result also, because I have experienced a lot about this. So this is the important point to manage disease management. And then after we using management, you see the new leaf come out. That I already say that you have the problem about leaf yellow. Sometimes I don't know. Some people say, "Oh, this is greening." This or somebody said this is the nutrient deficiency. That so many reasons. But you can see that I can according to plant pathology. This is if we can cleaning, or if you can somebody say ho long bai, should be systemic. It's caused back by cleaning, caused by bacteria, hair caused by or citilla virus. They will is systemic. That means they will show the same symptom. Yellow leaf on the tree, not only 1 or 2 twigs like this. And this is the problem is soil is acid. And after that, this tree, what happened? This is in China. You see, there are a lot of problems. And I just only measure the soil is so acid, pH 2, 3, deep into the soil also 1 meter, pH very low. And then I just use my biotechnique that I already say. You see, after that the new leaf come out, become clean leaf and no symptom, yellow symptom anymore. See, this is we solve the problem, and this is I think the correct way, and cheaper way also, and your citrus seed will be durable also. This is, please follow me. Yeah. And this is the what we have done. Sometimes the iPhone, the Phytophthora also rotting in on the stem, in bark rotting also. And this is if they are rotting around the stem, the citrus tree will die. So we have to block the disease. So I have been if in this case I also adjust the soil as I tell you, and at the same time if the Phytophthora is causes above the in the stem like this or twig, I will apply the chitomium, spray chitomium into the bark. You see now is the bark is drying. That I said, if you don't have the my bioproduct chitomium, you can spray the others bioproducts like Trichoderma other, but at the same time just improve the soil at the same time. So that this technique we call biotechnique to solve the problem. I hope you will be successful, because the disease should be you should be controlled the disease under economic damage. I know that nobody in the world can control the disease 100%. Cannot. Even you use chemical, you cannot control disease 100% also. That means we can say that we can control the disease under or low economic damage. That means in your farm they may appear the disease about 5%, 10%, but not more than 20%. But if the disease come out, you have the way to solve the problem. You have the way to recover your citrus tree. That is the most important. And you see the new leaf come out after that I bought inform you. The new leaf come out is bigger. It's bigger and become green, and some is also flowering. So this is the normal problem of the citrus plantation all over the world. And this is in China. In China also, I go to solve the problem. You see, the same. First time he invite me be there. He says his citrus caused by Heilong Bai. They must be cut because no chemical to control by this time. And then I says, so I am not guarantee that I can control Heilong Bai. I can control cleaning, or I can control citrus virus. But after I check, I said the problem is this is complex. That means they caused by two factors. Abiotic factor, I said already. Soil acid become hard soil, water drainage, not water and air drainage not very good. Not only surface but also rhizosphere soil under the stem. I also check on, and after that we saw root rot. Not only little and yellow leaf, twig die back, not only that. And then I recommend to use biotechnique. That my biotechnique that I said, that means can solve the problem with the biotic and abiotic factor that I said. And after that the plant recover. They have stopped the root rot, and new root flush come out. After new root flush come out, new leaf come out. And new leaf come out, you see the new leaf is more clean and no little leaf or yellow anymore, no twig die back also. Then this is very successful. I have done that. Actually, I used to do the farm, the citrus farm in Thailand by myself with my friend. About 5 locations. One location is about 60 hectares. And at that time we also very successful. That time that this I'm talking now is not become organic citrus yet. We just solve the problem by this way first. So after on I also so successful. This is, you see, this is the same tree, the same citrus tree. They have yellow leaf like this. You see, both they have yellow leaf. First is here. And after I try to recover with biotechnique, after 2 months, you see the new leaf come out, become clean, and after that 4-5 months, the whole tree, the leaf become clean or no yellow leaf anymore, something like that. So the yellow leaf is on, they will fall down, a new leaf come out, will be clean and no twig die back by using my bio techniques. And new root also, that I said, new root come out and not rotting. After the new root come out and not rotting, the leaf become bigger and clean, you can see. And this is the important thing, the most important that I talk about the about the citrus management. You have to management very well. So the preparation of the soil is so important that if you are going to replant again, you have to make the soil become organic soil. Put the together with the very good organic fertilizer. That means fertilizer that you make composting should be completely fermented. Never use the animal dungs without fermentation. If you use animal dung without fermentation, after that they will have the problem, because they will start fermentation after you put into the soil, and during fermentation process we will release organic acid. Soil become acid, and also they release energy out of the soil. That is the heat. That means that energy will be destroy root system. So do not use the fresh organic dung, like that. So if you can prove by yourself, if you have the animal dungs like chicken dungs, cow dungs, goat dungs, or other kind of animal dungs, if you put together, is the same batch. See, and you just water, and after that, after 7 days, what happened? You can see that in the middle of the chicken dung that you put together will be heating, temperature will be higher and higher. That's and according to my experience, if you have the 1 tons or 1,000 kilo of animal dung, if you are do composting, they will become, after fermentation, complete fermentation, you can get 400 kilogram of compost. They are degrading, something like that. This is what I talk with you. And this that I said, the new leaf come out, see, become clean, yellow, become clean and bigger, no twig die back. See, this is a new leaf come out, this one. So this is important that you have to management. The leaf is very important, because if you get the green leaf, they can photosynthesis. That means they can use the carbon dioxide and water, and they can have the photosynthesis in the leaf. That in the green leaf we call chlorophyll. I think everybody know. And after that, the starch from photosynthesis will go down to the plant, to the plant growth, especially during fruiting. That is very important to take care of the leaf. You know, one leaf, I have done one leaf. If your citrus tree is very healthy, you know, one leaf, they have the age is 2 years. Before, after 2 years, that leaf will be fallen down. But if your citrus leaf fall down after 6 months, that means your citrus tree not really healthy. You observe that. I observe a lot about the citrus, because I used to have my own farm also. And this is the in Cambodia also the same problem. They invite me come, and then I go to solve the problem at the same way. How to solve the problem of the citrus, and then finally we really successful. Then I said, and then someone, you know, they use this one. So they use this one. This is a wrong way, you know. They use this one punk put into the tree, and after that the bark is destroyed and become a lot of hole, and the hole become rotting by Phytophthora. Finally, this tutti is die. They use ampicillin. They say, oh, this is can control the cleaning or citrus disease. Cannot. I'm sure. I confirm cannot. I see the several farms, several countries, they use this technique. This technique not work. It's not work. Let the plant die. Something like that. So that's why this is the wrong way to solve the problem of the citrus disease. So that is in northern Thailand, this farm, they try to stop the chemical. We can say this is a non-agrochemical production in conversion period to organic citrus. We start to do like that. But even they try to they stop, they also have the problem that I said. They used chemical before. But after that, after I check the soil at the same, and then I suggest to use the biotechnique, my biotechnique, and they very successful. You see, the new will come out, even the lymph fruit set, and see the farmer is very happy. And this farm is the icon NAP in conversion period to organic citrus production. That mean if the farmer they like to do organic, that mean they must be stop to apply the chemical immediately. But if and after that somebody afraid, if we stop to apply the chemical immediately, maybe yield will be decreased, the fruit will be not big fruit will be low yield or something like that. You trust me, I never die that. So after we recommended to stop the chemicals, firstly, what is that? Fertilization. We know that the citrus is very sensitive to nutrient. Nowadays I can recommend teach the farmer to do organic fertilizer with different formulations, like organic fertilizer with high nitrogen to be used instead of 4600, and organic fertilizer with high nitrogen is very good result. This is my research to general growth, and also organic fertilizer with equal NPK, equal nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium naturally. I have this formulation to general growth of the citrus. When the citrus leaf come out, during the time that you are going to induce flower, I have the technique that firstly, we know that if the citrus or fruit tree you like to flower, you manage C/N ratio. That means the nitrogen should be stopped to apply to be less nitrogen. And also at this time the plant should have more available phosphorus. Let the plant uptake phosphorus, and the phosphorus will be induce flower, but induce flower. Then at the same time, after we apply the organic fertilizer with high phosphorus, just about 1 month, then after that, 1 month or 3 weeks, and then we also start to spray one of the my bio product that I said I call bio flower. This is my bio product that actually this one is I can see this is seaweed extract naturally with some organic substance I developed to spray to stimulate flowering. It's very successful, very successful. And after flower, then whenever they are flowering and fruit set, during fruit set, they start to food development. During food development, we can apply the organic fertilizer with equal NPK. in chemical one, they will use 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 16, something like that. But we not use chemical anymore because we are do organic. So we have organic fertilizer with the equal NPK naturally to be used instead of that chemical that I mentioned. Straightforward. So this is very successful. The food grow very well. Yeah, after the food growth very well. So from citrus, from flowering until harvesting, they need about 9 months. So every month we have to check the fruit development. I'll show you. We have to check the fruit development very well. And if fruit not developed very well, we apply the organic fertilizer with high potassium. Organic fertilizer with high potassium in chemical way compared to in chemical. They will apply 0050, 0060, just only K, but we cannot use it because we do organic. By the way, we cannot use that chemical fertilizer, but we can do it. We can produce it. The organic fertilizer with high K. The fruit is grow, is big as chemical one. Trust me. And after the fruit development very well, and then in our own formulation of the organic fertilizer, like organic fertilizer with high nitrogen, organic fertilizer with high P, organic fertilizer NPK, organic fertilizer that I said, they not only dominant only that nutrient, but on formulation of organic fertilizer, they rich of all necessary nutrients. That means on formulation they have nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium, major element, and at the same time they also have copper, boron, zinc, iron, choline, manganese. See, they have on. So that means in organic, if you apply the organic fertilizer with high K for food development to higher gene to let the food bigger, and you will get a very good taste also because they have the magnesium in our organic fertilizer. What is magnesium? Get involved with the potassium. As I have the experiences from the farm that they use chemical, one time I used to have experience to visit one farm that is chemical farm. They apply, they like the fruit to be bigger, so they use chemical fertilizer 0060, 135 kilograms. The citrus age is about 7 years. It's a lot. They use a lot. What happened? And after they apply the watering, after few days, fruit drop. Fruit drop 80%, and after fruit drop, the leaf become yellow, like V shape from the petiole, like yellow one. And then after I said this one, some nutritional expert come to see, oh, this is magnesium deficiency. Magnesium deficiency. You should spray the magnesium sulfate, something like that. Yeah. But for me, after I saw, I said, I know already. I said, you may over apply the chemical fertilizer high K. They accept. And after that, I check, what happened. Why the plant deficiency, the leaf deficiency look like magnesium deficiency. Yeah, sure. We can see you can see in the textbook, oh, this is a magnesium deficiency. But you know what happened? When I measure the soil, magnesium in the soil is a lot. It's a lot. More than 1,500 or 1,700 ppm per kilogram of soil. But the magnesium could not absorb into the plant because of too much potassium. The potassium and magnesium, they are antagonistic to each other. They must be balanced. And after that, I solved the problem. Never spray magnesium sulfate, And after I solved the problem by using the organic fertilizer, at the same time, I forgot to tell you, at the same time, soil with acid, pH 3. Even they have magnesium, they cannot absorb anymore. They cannot uptake also. So I adjust the soil, use organic fertilizer, watering, something like that. And after that, I solve the problem. And this farm is a big farm also, about 100 rai is about 50 acres. So I solved that problem. This is my experiences. You cannot find in the textbook, I'm sure. On I talk, I tell you in this training program this is the first time for me, to training. I also surprised when the project come out. Oh, this is a trend, just easy to understand. This is the training, online training course for organic fruit production in tropical climate and organic farming. First time I think it's maybe 1 day or 1 or 2 days or something like that. But finally the project come out. I so surprised the project come out. The training, this online training is start from June 4th to June 16th. And every day I have to talk by alone from 8:30 to 12 and from 1 to 6:30 p.m. Thailand times. How can I talk on? Actually, I'm not talkative also. I am the scientist. Normally I practical scientist. But one thing I like to tell you that this is the first time in my life that I transfer my knowledge. What I talk, I never read in this training. I never read the textbook and inform you. What I talk is my experiences, lean experiences in the field. About almost 30 years ago, I always do research in laboratory, go to the field, and my bioproduct released to the farmer a lot. So what I talk is my experiences. So we can share experience to each other. We can become the partner. I don't like to be your teacher. On question we can learn together. That's it. Okay. And this is the that I said the nutritional management. In nutritional management for the citrus is the most important that I have informed you already about that. We have I can teach you to produce the different kind of the organic fertilizer, but the thing that I have conducted and found a lot of microorganisms, including fungi, bacteria, actinomyces, streptomyces, and that is already identified molecularly, and morphology and molecular identify and confirm species. And those species, I have a lot of species. Those species, they can produce a lot different kind of enzymes. So I have a group of microorganisms. This can be degraded. Can be degrading the raw material to release nitrogen available or magnesium available. Another group of microorganisms, they can degrade rock phosphate powder and or animal bone to get a more available phosphorus, and another group of microorganisms that they can degrade the potassium feldspar powder and ash or charcoal to get more available available potassium. This is my know-how. But if in your country you don't have this know-how, maybe I can recommend you to do composting without my microorganism. But maybe you may take time to composting to be 2 months or 3 months or something like that. But for my formulation, you can visit me in Thailand. I do the organic fertilizer with the different formulation, in each formulation, I fermentation not more than 1 month. Not more than 1 month, and then we can measure by my equipment is a lean time. You can check available nutrient immediately. So this is nutritional management. At the same time, I also develop the liquid fertilizer, for the spray. Like we have the liquid fertilizer with high nitrogen. We have liquid fertilizer with high phosphorus, and liquid fertilizer with equally NPK, and also liquid fertilizer with high calcium boron. So we have already the biological products to be used instead of the chemical fertilizer. We don't afraid anymore. So don't believe me, but you must be learn, and you must be try, or if you. So we know each other already by this time. You can contact me anytime. The world become small by this time. I know that the participant by this time is almost over 40 countries. So in your country, you have the condition of the soil may be different. You can communication with me later how to manage for the to do the organic citrus production. I am successful. I can tell you in practical way. That I talk again. I inform you again that what I talk in this training is this online training program. I talk from my heart. I talk from my experiences. I am not read the textbook and present, not like that. It's on my experiences. Everything I talk, I have done and successful lady. So this is the I just show that you see every time I also check the nutrient or necessary nutrient of the soil. I have this machine. They can measure the all necessary nutrient soluble form. That's why we can manage the crop very well. But if you don't have this machine, don't worry. I will teach you how to observe the tree, how to observe the leaf, observe the root, observe the shape or something like that. So sometimes if we like your tree to be more root system, you can make another root stock and you grafting. After you grafting, the root you can get more root system, and this one can help for windbreak also. And this is a very good technique. Also in China also do a lot of this one. See, remember that? Yeah, this is then your citrus tree will be durable, will be long life. I said easy word like that. Huh? So this is a lot of problem in many areas in Wyoming. This is I think in China also. You see, they are the same problem, and they are low yield, and they said they use chemical fertilizer, and so they will not get the profit until now or something like that. So after that I go there, I apply, I use my biotechnique. Now by this time they are turning to do organic, turn to do organic citrus already. So they're so happy because production cost is really low. The yield is increasing, and yield is the same as the chemical one. Why not? Yeah? This is supposed to be. This is in Vietnam. This farm also they apply the my organic fertilizer in Vietnam, and also they apply chitomium. They call Mokabi chitomium, and also the nano lister for plant immunity for the citrus. The citrus is very well. You see, this is the what we have done. We have to observe. Because the citrus from, as I said, from flower to fruiting or maturity need about 9 months. You have to take care 9 months like that. So this is the for nutrition management. Sometimes if you have a lot of fruit, sometimes the plant have the unbalance in pancreas. They may have the ethylene in pedicle, and then the food drop easy also. The food drop is there are two cases. The first one is because of the physiological unbalance, they produce ethylene, and the second one is the food drop because of the disease, like anthracnose disease, infection in this area, and also or Phytophthora. So if the anthracnose or Phytophthora infection, we can apply Chitomium biofungicide and nanoresistor to stop the disease, and food drop will be stop or will be slow down. And but if in physiological process, that means if the food drop without any symptom of infection, they food drop because of the physiological disorder. That means that they may produce, the plant may produce ethylene a lot of here. I applied another bioproduct I call Ketex. Ketex is a polymer of chitosan solution that we extraction by natural way. I call Ketex. They can prolong, they can stop the fruit drop by this condition. So in Thailand, the farmer apply my bioproduct, this one a lot also. And that I said, every time that I visit farm, I have to check the soil, check the tree, above tree, what happened, check about the root, and recommendation the farmer, the agriculture, how to improve to be better and better. And this technique I inform you already. Grafting, the grafting. You have the stock here, and you grafting to make more root them. Maybe one tree you can make 1-2 tree. It depends on you, like that. So the nutritional management is also the very important for citrus. If you are going to do the citrus organic, and this farm is the citrus organic farm in Thailand. They have been done, and they also very successful. That I said. Sometimes they use net to protect insect. You see, they use net to protect insect also, but not on some tree like that. And this is the citrus plantation in Vietnam that they apply my bioproduct Chitomium to control the disease and anthracnose disease and other disease, and also they apply the my bioproduct of the nanoresistor for plant immunity, or they call plant vaccine. This very successful. I concentrate a lot about the nutritional management in citrus. You have to look very well. Even during flowering, you have to check the nutrient also, and others. What happened in the leaf, you have to check. We have to dig the soil, and then after that I will recommend the grower to solve the problem. And sometimes the new leaf come out. After new leaf come out, especially young leaf, insect must come, like thrips, spider mite, and other insect, during dark, the butterfly coming, and after that we have the insect trap also to the butterfly. After that we can reduce the population. Some farm they use yellow trap, light trap also, and they have the fruit fly also. If the fruit fly, they use pheromone. They use pheromone to trap the fruit fly. Otherwise, the fruit will be drop also. So in citrus, I think so many things we have to protect the disease, and especially the insect. But for insect, we have several ways to control insect. I also have the metabolism and beauty for insect protection icon bio insect. And another one I have BT Bacillus thuringiensis icon lacua. But that means they can kill the worm or some other kind of insect. So we have different way. And also we also recommend to use neem extract. I think in your country, in tropical country, we have neem. In Thai we call sadao. Yeah, we call the extract neem and some herb, some medicinal plant, or some herb extract together. I can teach you how to do this one, how to do the neem extract by yourself, and then spray to control insect. Another thing that for organic, that's certified by my association, that means Association of Agricultural Technology in South Asia, I allow to use sulfur. This is a natural sulfur. So the sulfur can control many insects and some diseases also, but you should be applied at low rate of application, because sulfur, after you apply a lot, maybe will be burning, your young leaf will be burning also. So you have to use at the appropriate way, appropriate rate of application or something like that. This is the soil insect, and then actually the many kind of the insect pests, we will and other many kind of insect pests come to destroy the plant. So this is this is bio insecticide I developed in Vietnam. I call bio insecticide Mitabe. This is actually this Bure Baciana as registration as the bio insecticide in Vietnam and in Cambodia already. See, this is this one. They can kill the worm in the citrus also. You see, and nutrition management requirement. The nutrition requirement, that means after you measure the soil, which one is less, you can manage by making the compost or organic fertilizer with high nutrition, with the that nutrition. For example, if you seen that they just appear the magnesium deficiency in your, or zinc deficiency, you can make the organic fertilizer with high magnesium and high zinc or enough zinc, and apply into the soil and adjust the pH the soil very well, and that after that you can solve the problem already. This is a nutrient requirement or nutrient management for the organic citrus production. So forget about the chemical fertilizer. See, and so this is a BT, Bacillus thuringiensis, that can kill many worms. You see. So in Vietnam, we call Betadine. In Vietnam, we also register this one as a biological insecticide also. And this is how to label. This is in Vietnam, and that kind of citrus. This farm also apply, also use the ketamine biofungicide and nano elicitor for plant immunity also. This is also the kind of insect also I show already. This is the organic farm, citrus organic farm. This is the farm owner. He is so happy, very successful nowadays, and he have done as I recommendation. You can visit here in Thailand and go to see this farm, no problem. This is complex management. I have been talk already, and I just show you. This is a Chitomium biofungicide that registration in many countries. As I said, this is the nano elicitor or pen vaccine. Also, now we contribute to the grower already, like that. And this is sometimes the citrus also caused by nematode, like Milordecae, like that, root knot nematode. But if that one we can use Pisolomyces. So this is we developed to be the bio nematicide to control the nematode, root rot nematode, like that. In your country have, I think there are many scientists doing. You can find. don't too difficult, I think. So this is the sometimes we have to use the integrated pest management, but without chemical application. Sometimes you see they use net because they say the insect come a lot during dusk, so that they use the net from in appropriate time to protect insect, because some insect we could not spray immediately. They come thousand of insects, thousand, or even 10,000. They come at the same time and they destroy after that they gone. So even we cannot protect, we cannot spray immediately. How to do? And he said in this area, and then that after that the grower make decision to make the net like this, and this is really gave really good protection and that insect that I said. So there are different way, that no chemical way. So this is we have to concerning about integrated pest and disease management also to be success like that. And this is another farm that they start to stop the chemical application that we call NAP, or non-agrochemical production, non-agrochemical production to be organic agriculture. This in Vietnam. This is in China. Now in this farm has already recovered. They are recovered already in China. They so happy. And then this is during food development also. It is important that I said from the flower into into the maturity. We take about 9 months. We have to take care very well. Every month we have to go to see not fruit drop, no disease, no insect destroy. That one we observe very well. See, and then you can see from the starting. You see from the starting, I check the food development. You see how can I say, I make the section and see the middle of the fruit. I will this is I will show you. And this is what we have observed in Vietnam. This one I show you. Every month I check like this, in this area, because if the nutrient come, they will come to this area, and after that the starch from photosynthesis will be distributed to this line, in this area. If compact like this, that means your fruit can be grow, can be bigger. But if this area like this, you see, like a hole, that means your fruit will no longer bigger anymore, because the fruit, the nutrient come here, very less can go to whole food development. This is I observe. I recommend the farmer, the grower, to observe every month. If there something happen, start to have a small hole, just tell me. That means this is I have to recommend to apply the organic fertilizer with a bit high K together with high calcium also, something like that. This is that I think I teach them how to observe and how to solve the problem of the food development for the organic citrus food production. See, so the farmer very happy after I transfer my experiences about this. See, fruit is grow very well and bigger as compared to the chemical one. Now they also have, I still have the collaboration in China with the Jiangxi province to produce the organic citrus production also. And you can see I check this one for the organic. I will tell you, I like to inform you that by this time the HC is also do organic certified. What are the requirement of the organic certified? That means the first time when I go to the farm like me to certify organic. I will check the soil, water, surrounding element, and fruit, citrus fruits. And after that, I have the quick test to check, to examine the pesticide residue in water, soil, and fruit, if they have fruit. I have the quick test for chemical herbicide, chemical insecticide, many kinds, chemical fungicide, carbendazim, and others. We check. If they still have the chemical residue, I will recommend how to get rid of, how to reduce or decrease those chemical residue in soil, in water, in fruit, especially our requirement also nitrate. Nitrate is that means if the farmer they use a chemical fertilizer, I can check sure. That means I check nitrate. If the farmer they still use the chemical fertilizer, they must be, I must know. I just say like that. They cannot lie me. Now, do you know, when I measure, this is a nitrate equipment, quick test. Just one, if the nitrate is lower 30 ppm, that means safety. If nitrate over, that means just see the color. I see the color. If green color, that means pass. If over nitrate a lot, will be this circle will be red color. That means a lot of nitrate. I will not certify. But I will recommend how to reduce, how to get rid of nitrate, over nitrate, like that. And at the same time, our requirement also, we check heavy metals also in soil, in water, in fruit also. If this is our requirement. After I check, after that I will recommend. How to. This is do your farm still have the chemical residue? How can you solve the problem? You use microorganism. This one we have microorganism to degrade heavy metal, for example. I just recommend, and then until finally I find until this is our collaboration with China about organic citrus. This one I just explain, continue more, and about the organic certified. This is should be free nitrate, or that I said. This is one requirement. And in the soil, actually after I check in laboratory, quick test in the field, and also took the sample into my laboratory to check, and if no pesticide not detected, no pesticide by my quick test, no nitrate in water, no nitrite on cause cancer, and low heavy metal. And sometimes I also check the human pathogen like Salmonella and E. coli also. And if sure, I will send the sample to the chemical analysis laboratory under ISO standard, like in Thailand. I send to the AMAT laboratory, and they will check with the scientific equipment, HPLC, GSMS, others, and that they check on, I mentioned it, chemical. If they are not detected, ND not detected on that I said, I will SC will be certified organic. This is our standard. So I have done a lot, not only organic citrus production, also I apply many kind of fruit, durian, rambutan, guava, longan, mangosteen, papaya, lemon, dragon fruit, and other many organic fruits production in Thailand. I have certified. So this is you can see, you can visit me to see also. This is I have the equipment to check nitrite in water or in sap in solution. If nitrite also cause cancer, you see. And that I said, we have check the water, check in soil. Now this one have the first time, they have nitrate a lot. Red color is dangerous. You see this also. That means the chemical fertilizer residue in the soil. So that means we have to get rid of chemical fertilizer with microorganism that can degrade or can unlock the chemical fertilizer that in the form of the we call the insolvent form of the chemical fertilizer residue in the soil. We can get rid of it by microorganism, or we call soil remediation or soil revitalization. Finally, nitrate gone. I have done a lot. Don't worry. Until we check everything, we check quick test, and that even in the field, I also check to see this farm become green. That means free nitrate at all. I check free nitrate at all. They're so happy, and safety for nitrate and others chemical already. And after that, everything is going fine for the organic citrus production that I said. The fruit very good, and the yield is as compared to chemical one is equally, and also the farmer can reduce production cost less than the chemical one. By this time they have been checked. They confirm that the production cost for the organic citrus production can reduce the production cost when compared to the chemical at least 30%. And the yield is the same. In quality, but quality is better, because the quality, that means we have the citrus without toxic substance. So the consumer will be safety to consume. Even the owner of the farm and the worker in the farm also safety and longer life also. This is the quality. This is the lean quality to be make safety food. So I think you will have some knowledge for my experiences about citrus. Actually, they may something that I did not talk, because I talk from my heart. I never prepare anything for talk for my experiences. So I think this is online training. I like to get the question. If you have any question, you send the question through the messenger, through the system. And in the last day of the meeting in 16, the closing day, I will answer the question, Q&A, question and answer. Please write your question that you like to ask me. Okay, thank you very much. See you next.